Lab 7, Spectrophotometry. For this lab, you will need a 25 ml graduated cylinder, a 100 ml volumetric flask, a test tube rack, 6 15 ml test tubes, copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate, a scale, a weighboat, a 150 ml beaker, an unknown solution of copper sulfate, and a visible light spectrophotometer. First, measure out about 3 grams of copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. Remember to record the amount you used. Then pour it into a volumetric flask and fill it up to 100 milliliters with tap water. Then start mixing to fully dissolve the solution. Now pour that into a 150 milliliter beaker and you have your stock solution. To make your first solution, pour 5 milliliters of your stock solution and 20 milliliters of tap water and put that into a big test tube. Then transfer it to a smaller test tube. Make sure it fills up to the white label. You may want to label your smaller test tubes to keep track. Repeat this process 4 more times until you have 5 solutions of 25 milliliters with varying molarities. Record all values of stock and water used. Remember to fill one small test tube with just stock and another test tube with your mystery solution. To calibrate the spectrophotometer, first make sure nothing is in the spectrophotometer and set the transmittance to 0. Then put a small test tube filled with just water and set the transmittance to 100. Take out the tube of water to see if the transmittance resets to 0, and then put it back in to see if it resets to 100 again. If it does, then it has been calibrated.
No! No!
After you have calibrated it, start putting your test tubes in. Press mode to change it from transmittance to absorbance. Record your absorbance for all solutions.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere.
But wait!
You cannot pour solutions of copper sulfate down the drain. Make sure to pour all solutions into the beaker within the hood.